Rocks and minerals. Our earth is made up of rocks. Rocks are found everywhere on the earth. They are found in mountains, under the soil, and deep under the water. Rocks are a mixture of two or more minerals. Types of rocks. There are three types of rocks found on the earth. They are igneous rocks. They are the earliest rocks found on the earth. They are formed when molten magma cools and solidifies. The rocks buried deep inside the earth melt because of the high pressure and temperature. This molten rock called magma flows upwards. Magma is also called lava. It can also erupt from a volcano onto the earth's surface. When this magma reaches the surface of the earth, it cools down and hardens to form igneous rocks. There are different types of igneous rocks. Granite. When magma cools down below the earth's surface, it forms granite. Granite is red, pink, grey or white in color. It is composed of quartz, feldspar and mica. It is used in making many objects like kitchen slabs, floor tiles, statues, stair threads, buildings and monuments. Pumice. When lava cools quickly on the earth's surface, it forms pumice. Pumice is a light and porous rock. It has many holes that are formed when volcanic gases expand. Pumice is so light that it can easily float on water. It is used for polishing when grounded in powder form. It is also used as foot scrubber. Basalt. Basalt is a hard, black-colored, fine-grained igneous rock. It is formed when lava flows from volcano or from cracks in the earth's surface and hardens. It is used in making buildings and roads. Obsidian. Obsidian is formed when molten rock materials cool down rapidly. The rock has very sharp edges and are used for ornamental purposes. Sedimentary rocks. The Earth's surface is constantly broken up into smaller pieces by wind, water, and temperature changes. This is called weathering. These small pieces of rocks turn into pebbles, gravel, sand, and clay. They tumble down rivers and streams. These pieces get settled down in new places and begin to pile up and form flat layers called sediments. Over a long time, these flat layers are pressed together and form solid rock called sedimentary rock. Some different types of sedimentary rocks are given below. Sandstone. When small particles of sand are compressed and deposited together, they form sandstone. It is the most common sedimentary rock. It is used to make building stones. Shale. It is made up of layers of clay. It occurs in a wide range of colors like red, brown, green, grey and black. It is used for making bricks and tiles. Limestone. It is made up of mineral known as calcite, formed from shells of small creatures. The most common example of limestone is chalk. Chalk is used to write on blackboards. Cement, bricks and glass are also some examples of limestone. Conglomerate. It is made up of rounded pebbles that are cemented together with sand and minerals. It is used for construction and polishing ornaments. Metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks are formed when igneous and sedimentary rocks undergo changes under the intense heat and pressure inside the Earth's surface. Some different types of metamorphic rocks are slate. It is formed from shale. It is usually dark in color and used for making blackboards. Marble. It is formed from limestone. Its color and texture depend on the limestone from which it is formed. It is used for making floors and buildings. Quartzite. It is formed from sandstone that is rich in quartz. It is used to make statues, glass, gemstone, and in watches. Gneiss. It is formed from granite. In this mineral, grains are arranged in light and dark color bands. Minerals. Minerals are building blocks of rocks. They are found in the earth and are naturally occurring chemical substances. They are found in dirt, rocks, and water. Minerals are of two types, metallic and non-metallic. Metallic minerals. Metallic minerals are those minerals from which useful metals are obtained like iron, copper, bauxite, tin and manganese. They are used for jewelry, electrical equipments, machines, parts of vehicles, etc. Non-metallic minerals. Non-metallic minerals are those minerals from which no metal can be obtained like coal, petroleum, oil, gemstones, etc. Coal. Coal is a brownish black sedimentary rock. It is a natural energy source that we get from Earth. Earlier, the Earth was partly covered with swampy forests. When plants died, they fell into these swamps. For millions of years, water and dirt began to pile up on top of the dead plant remains. The heat and pressure would build up on top of the plant remains, undergoing chemical and physical changes and turning these remains into coal. Coal is a fossil fuel that is used to run steam engines, for cooking food in factories, etc. Petroleum. Petroleum is also obtained from remains of dead plants and animals. Petroleum is first refined and turned into petrol, LPG, CNG and diesel. They are used to run vehicles and machines. They are also used in manufacturing of plastics, paints and cosmetics.